up guys, it's your ultimate TechPal, and today in this very first video I'm gonna show you how to make a LinkedIn account very easily. So before that, make sure to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And also if you have any inquiries, please comment down below. So let's move on to the video. So first of all, you need to open your favorite browser, maybe Opera, Firefox, or Google Chrome. So here I open my browser and go to the web and search LinkedIn. Type LinkedIn and yeah, this shows like this. So basically LinkedIn Corporation is an American business and employment oriented online service which connects the employers who post jobs and the job seekers who post their CVs. So in this page you can go here, LinkedIn. Okay, let's go. So it says welcome to your professional community, and so let's scroll down to see the page. Okay, so this is a job platform. So now here you can see there's a button called join now. Tap on it. So it asks your email and a password, and then it says agree and join or continue with Facebook. If you like continue with the Facebook account, you can continue with your Facebook account, but I'm showing here how to make a LinkedIn account by your email. So here, tap your email address. Then here you need a password, and then agree and join. So it asks your first name and the last name. So put your first name here and the last name here, and tap continue. So it says a security verification. It says let's do a quick security check. It says I'm not a robot. Tap on it and it will like this. Okay. It says someone already using that email, so I'll change the email. Okay, agree and join. Continue. Okay, you have to do this one. Okay, so the page is loading and you direct into this page. So the LinkedIn page is loading. So it says welcome Dinity. Let's start your profile, connect to people you know and engage with them on topics you care about. So in this here you can put your location and tap next. Here I'll tap next, and it's asks most recent job title and the most recent company. So if you're a student, you can tap on this one, I'm a student. If you work in a company, you have to put your job title here and the company here. Let's put this one. Anything. You can select the industry and continue. So it says let's confirm your email. So it says type in the code we sent to that email. So go to your email. You can open your Gmail account and go to your email account. So they send a code to your Gmail account, so you need to copy that code, and here you can see LinkedIn message. So go to that email and here you can see there's the code, so you can copy the code can copy the code and go to your LinkedIn page and paste it here, and you can agree and confirm. If you don't receive the code, you can resend it. And here you can see the page, follow companies, people and hashtags to stay updated on the things you care about. So you can follow anything here. Yeah, you can select file, or I'll tap finish. So it'll direct you to this page. So this is the page that shows your LinkedIn account. So in here it asks, when did you start working at your company? I just so you can put the details here. You can find connections. You can find your friends, colleagues and family from here. And you can create a job alert here. And when you scroll down the page, you can press on this one, start a post, and you can write an article on LinkedIn about whatever. And you can follow in here. You can see add to our feed. There are some people, companies and groups. You can follow them. And here it says account checkup. You can add your phone number here to help protect your account. And here it says my name and the job post of yours. So you can click here. You can click here, scroll down. You can edit your profile like this. Okay, so you can add the profile section. You can write edit this one. You can add a profile picture. So I'm going to back. So here when you scroll down, you can see the post. So this is the end of my video. Thanks guys for watching my videos, and make sure to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any inquiries about this video, comment down below. I'll help you guys. So goodbye.